Hi, it's Spencer from DIY Marquees. Today we're talking about rain skirts and what they are and why they're there. If you've got the side of a marquee, a lot of water, pretty much all the water, will come down the side of the marquee. If a rain skirt isn't there, it would come down into the ground and that area would become quite sodden and start interfering with your flooring on the inside. So a rain skirt takes the water another 6 inches away. This area is still going to get sodden, but it'll absorb in, so it's not going to affect the inside of the marquee. If you've got on hard standing, if it's on concrete or tarmac, you still want to pull that rain skirt out. Use heavy weights, you can drill into the ground, but still pull that rain skirt out to take the water further away from it. If you're building a platform, so a concrete pad or something like that for the marquee to sit on, the rain skirt will pull the water away from that pad, so it's vital at that point. The last thing is, rain skirts are always going to get dirty. They are the dirtiest bit of the marquee, so from a marquee hire point of view, if you just roll this panel away, that dirt is going to end up getting all over the panel. So it is good when you're taking down a marquee, just best practice, give the rain skirt a wipe before then folding it away. Make sure it's bone dry, but clean it before putting it away, and it's just going to save you a lot of work next time. So those are rain skirts.